Good morning. Welcome to the Eighth Wonder. Yippee! Today's episode is gonna be on one new monthly paying dividend stock added to my $13,000 Robinhood portfolio, which is PowerShares preferred portfolio. So pretty much my strategy. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into my Robinhood portfolio. You're now inside of my portfolio, so I'm giving you transparency, not this. Hey, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. Hey, this percent. No, this is what you see, is what you get. So, and I'm building this from the ground up. So everything I'm building it, this portfolio brick by brick. So I'm not holding back on nothing. Okay, today, as you know, I mean, you're probably hearing about it in all over the news, and everybody's freaking out. And look at that landslide. Whew. I love it. Everything's on sale. That's how I look at it. Everything's on sale. My portfolio is here to withstand the crash, bear market, recessions, all that. This portfolio that I'm building is designed for that. So that's pretty much my philosophy, and my strategy is building when the market's down to alleviate panic. But to me, I already know when the market goes down, it's time to buy. It's time to buy. So pretty much I'm a long-term investor. So I pretty much I buy and I hold forever. So that's my strategy. I saw a video on YouTube with Jack Bogley. I think that's how you pronounce his name. Rest in peace. I just got into the game, and pretty much everybody talks about Ray Dalio. He's cool. Warren Buffett, yeah, cool, whatever. But I like Jack Boggles from the CEO from the Vanguard Group. Pretty much he buys and he holds forever, and that's pretty much my strategy. And I plan on buying the entire stock market. I'm not playing this, buy, sell. No, this goes. That game is just, I see a lot of people playing it, and it's like, what a headache. I'm having fun. So this is my portfolio. I don't look at the live 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 month, 1 year. I go straight to the all. So, I mean, in a down market, I'm at 3.61%, and that's my thing. I want to see what my portfolio can do in a crash, in a recession, in a downward trend. So, I'm at 3.61%. All of my stocks are down. I'm gonna show you guys on TradeBase. It's an application on your cell phone. You can't get this application on website. I don't know why it's like that, but it's strictly for analyzing, organizing all your position. Well, for me, I have 160 positions and then 6 cryptocurrencies. It organizes all my stocks, not the cryptocurrencies. So I've noticed that. But I'm able, I'll show you guys over here or over there, my TradeBase app. Hello. Okay. Now this is the application I was previously talking to you guys about. It's called TradeBase. So I use TradeBase pretty much to organize my Robinhood portfolio. So as you can see, I'm gonna go to, this is my profile. This TradeBase, you can only use this TradeBase on your cell phone. So it doesn't, you can't go online or to a website with TradeBase. It is strictly for mobile app. So here I am. Here's my profile. 6 following. I got 1 follower. Holdings. Now this is the important part right here. This is where I organize pretty much on a daily basis, because the way Robinhood is set up, I can organize it, but not like this. I can pretty much look at all 160 positions. As you can see, the market is down, way down. I'm declining out of 160, 143. So to me, in my mind, that's an indication the market is on sale. So I know a lot of people are freaking out, but my mind just quickly turns on, and it's automatically looking for assets on sale. So that pretty much, I don't stress out like a lot of investors. My style is different. I buy and hold forever. Pretty much, I follow the philosophy of, what's his name, Jack Bogle from Vanguard, the Vanguard Group. He just recently passed away, and I mean, a lot of people, they follow Warren Buffett's and all that, and I think Ray Dalio. I'm a mix of Ray Dalio and Jack Bogle. I just feel like Warren Buffett, he just, the way he accumulated his wealth is just on a whole, like, he's not giving us the real story behind his wealth. So I mean, that's just my personal opinion, but I could pretty much follow Ray Dalio and Jack Bogle's concept. So pretty much what I do is I buy and I hold forever. So, and this is my concept. I'm pretty much buying the whole entire stock market, whether it's stocks, ETFs, REITs, monthly paying dividends. So with this trade base, as you can see, I show you the positions today, and then it gives you a total. I just look at today what the market's looking like. So pretty much I gauge it, and I don't spend too much time. I'm like, okay, it's gonna be pretty much a discounted day. So, and then I go down to distribution, which as you can see, it's cut up into three sections: position, sector, and market cap. As you can see, Google's 10%, Lockheed Martin 3%, this is Northrop 3%, FICO 3%, Mitsu and Company 3%, and then the other 155 make up the other 78%. And then I go to sectors. So I'm 30% financials, 21% technology, industrial goods, I'm 14%, services, I'm 11%, consumer goods, 11%, and then the remaining is 8% others. And then thirdly is market cap. So I'm 58% in large, which is 10 bill. I'm 58% in large cap, which is 10 billion to 200 billion. Mega cap, I'm 27%, which is 200 billion plus. Mid, I'm 10%, which is 2 billion to 10 billion. Small cap, which is 3 million to 2 billion, I'm at 3% in my portfolio. Micro is 50 million to 300 million, and I'm 2%. And the nano is under 50 million, which is 0.34%. So, and then here, after that is all my companies listed. I can look at it the fast way, or I can look at it the pretty much more detailed look. So I'm gonna go to fast way, and they're all listed from highest valuation to lowest. So as you can see, Alphabet, Lockheed, Northrop, Fair Isaac, Mitsu, Netflix, iShares, Core, S&P 500 ETF, SPDR, S&P 500 ETF. I'm missing Vanguard, S&P 500 ETF. So I plan on getting that. Granger, SPDR, Dow Jones Industrial Average, United Health, Tesla, McDonald's, Apple, Berkshire Hathaway, Goldman Sachs, PowerShares, QQQ, Facebook, General Dynamics, Visa, Nike, 3M, Chubb, Nvidia, iShares, Russell 200 ETF, Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, Sun Communities, Microsoft, Disney, IBM, Johnson & Johnson, PNC Financial, United Technologies, Vanguard Russell 200 Index Fund. So I plan on with the Russell funds. I plan on getting. See, it just moved up. I plan on getting the 1,000 Russell and the 3,000 Russell Index funds with Vanguard, Procter and Gamble, Caterpillar, Sony, Coca-Cola, Walmart, Nasdaq, Starbucks, Badu, Anheuser-Busch, Vanguard U.S. REIT Fund, Vanguard Total Bond Market ETF, Albany International, Skyworks Federal Agricultural Mortgage, Investors Real Estate Trust, Alby Marley, SPDR S&P Global Dividend ETF, Citigroup, CVS, iShares Core, MSCI, which stands for Morgan Stanley Capital International. And then EAFE is, I think that's East Asia Far East ETF, General Mills, California, Walgreens, iShares Core 1, the 5-year U.S. bond, Bancolombia, Brookfield Asset Management, State Street, Marathon Petroleum, Wells Fargo, BNY Mellon, PowerShares, DB Precious Metals, FlowShare, Hormel, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, GlaxoSmithKline, Vanguard, FTSE Developed Markets, International Paper, York Water, Archer Daniels Midlands, Aramark, Potlatch, British American Tobacco, British Petroleum, HSBC, Pfizer, AT&T, Iron Mountain, JD.com, AMD, PowerShares International Buybacks, KBC Group, SPDR, Bloomberg Barclays, American Airlines, Sociedad Química and Minera, Bank of America, Kraft Foods, Newcrest Mining, Starwoods Property Trust, PowerShares DB, US Dollar, Telenor, 1-800-Flowers.com, Manchester United, Pan American Silver, IQIYI, AGNC Investment, DNB ASA, PG&E, Ecopetrol, Apple Hospitality REIT, Invesco, PowerShares, Preferred Portfolio, Tanger, Factory Outlet Center, Sprint, Green Plains, Vanek, Vectors, Rare Earth, iShares, MSC, Colombian Cap, Industrial and Commercial Banking of China, Banco do Brasil, Gladstone Investment, Vale, Credit Suisse, GE, Anali Capital, Global X, MSCI, Colombia ETF, Ultralife, Capitola Finance, Vendetta, Grupo Avil, Inmarsat, Gazprom, Deutsche Bank, Barclays, Densaki Bank, Aurora Cannabis, Sirius XM, Glencore, Commerce Bank, BlackRock Capital Investments, Nokia, BGC Partners, Royal Bank of Scotland, Banco Bilboa Vizcaya Argentaria, AK Steel, Hexo, Mitsubishi UFJ, Global Self-Storage, Daiwa Securities Group, Santander Group, Grupo Super Vili, GameStop, Norse Hydro, Cemex, Neo, Mitsubishi Financial Group, Chesapeake Energy, Agenus, Aerotech, Plug Power, Denbury, Riot, Blockchain, Nabor's Industries, Nordic American Tankers, Giron, Sunworks, and China Recycling Energy. So I'm going to take you back to regular schedule programming. Okay. So back at it. So pretty much, as you can see, I love it. I love this. This is my progress. It's not even this is my journey, I should say, and I'm building at it monthly. So it's a monthly build. To hit see this one right here. I wish, oh man, this is when everything was on sale. Everything. I remember this, and I didn't have anything saved up. So now my strategy is, once it hits that, once it goes down like that again, start buying. This is the perfect time to buy. Again, if it goes down even more, perfect time to buy. So there's 3. I call these pretty much clearance. You know how you go to JCPenney's or Macy's and they got the clearance rack. This is the clearance rack. So that's how I look at it. Missed out, but cool. I'm with it. So today I'm gonna talk about PowerShares preferred portfolio. This is my stocks on this side. DIA all the way down to gain are my month. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 monthly paying dividends. Plus this is going to be my 7th PGX. I'm gonna jump into that right now. So this is the PowerShares preferred portfolio, and this is owned by Invesco, which is in Atlanta, Georgia. I don't know if a lot of you guys know about index funds, but I'm big on index funds. They're wow to me. So I collect those also along with regular companies, stocks, ETFs, and REITs, and monthly dividend stocks. And my strategy with monthly dividend stocks is pretty much just to get paid throughout the year. And whatever the market does, let it do what it do, and I'm not even concerned about it. So I'm still gonna get paid. So that's how I'm designing my portfolio. Okay, I go straight to the 5-year. I mean, it came. Yeah. See, this is when everything. December 21st, 2018. That's when everything was on sale. So I look for those clearance days. So now I'm gonna have, when there's another one, I'm just gonna start buying on clearance. That's when I really buy. PowerShares preferred portfolio. You can buy one share for $14.92. I bought it at the same price, pretty much. 1,796 people own PowerShares preferred portfolio on Robinhood. Oh, excuse me. About PGX tracks an index of fixed rate US dollar denominated preferred securities. Market cap 5.25 billion. PE ratio not listed. Dividend yield 5.68. So pretty much I'm gonna go to the NASDAQ dividend history, and here it is. Invesco preferred ETF dividend date in history. So as you can see, it's a monthly paying dividend. My concern is I'm gonna go back to the beginning of this year. As you can see, 7 cents, 7 cents, 7 cents, 7 cents. So pretty much 7 cents. So let me go back here. What else? So yeah, that was pretty much on that. So a little bit. Okay, that's PowerShares preferred portfolio in my Robinhood. Inside my Robinhood portfolio, a little bit more, some in-depth info on PGX, Invesco preferred ETF, and pretty much this. I'm in Invesco. Yeah, trying to find a place where I can squeeze in there. Okay, as you can see, I went. They have the overview, performance, portfolio distribution documents. I clicked on portfolio just to see the sector allocation. As you can see, it's majority of this ETF is financials, which is 66%. Utilities, 13%. Real estate, 10%. Communication services, about 6%. Energy, 3%. Consumer discretionary, about 2%. Industrials, about 1%, and then materials, 0.15%. So the top 10 holdings is Citigroup, Deutsche Bank, PNC Financial, Wells Fargo, BB&T, JP Morgan Chase, got those twice, Bank of America twice, and then JP Morgan. So that's pretty much this ETF is pretty much a banking stock, as you can see from here, from the top, and then from the sector allocation. So it pays monthly. So 7 cents, it's gonna add up. So once I get all the monthly paying dividends, then I'm gonna start doubling up on them, where I make each of the ETFs where they pay for $1, and then I start adding. So pretty much if I have like 50 ETFs that pay monthly, that's $50 a month. So, and then once I get it to 50, then I shoot it up to 75, 100, and 150 to, so that's how I'm building my monthly paying, along with the other stocks that I have, which pay, they're not they pay quarterly, which is every 3 months. So, and waiting those 3 months is a bummer. I'm not gonna even lie to you guys. I tried it and it's just like, man, 90 days is 90 days. So, and I pretty much, once my thing with the 90 days is that once it hits, I'll also get the monthly dividend added on to that monthly, so it's gonna even be bigger than what would I receive, just regularly monthly. And then this, once quarters hit, it's gonna be a bigger, pretty much a bigger pocket. Well, my pockets will be bigger. So back to Robinhood. So that's it. I just wanted to give you guys my newest edition. If you have any questions or concerns or any creative strategy ideas, leave a comment. I'm giving away 1 troy ounce of silver to the most creative investment strategy commented below. So as you know, I invest in physical precious metals, and what's tomorrow? Thursday. Thursday is Investors Mindset. If any of you guys are needing some motivation or any concerns, leave a comment. Leave anything so I can help you out on getting started. Because I'm investing I'm an investor. I invest in stocks. I invest in physical precious metals. I invest in real estate. I invest in business. So all that's coming. This channel is step by step, just building up confidence little by little. Once you start out small, check this out. I'm investing. I started out small. 2 years now. Once you build it, you just start building confidence. That's how I see it. So once the confidence is built, then it blends over, and then you're like, oh, this is nothing. I don't have to worry about this. Let me start buying physical precious metals, silver. Start small. I'm at platinum now. Gold and palladium, they're up there. They're like 1,500. So my thing is just too high for me right now. So there's a market for somebody that's just beginning like myself. So I started out with silver. Now I'm at platinum. Gold and palladium, that's on like later on down the line once I get my business running, because the business will pay for that. Like, because a lot of this stuff that I'm investing now is all personal. I want the business to start paying for everything, once I get it going and running. But in the beginning, the money that comes from the business, I got to put it back into the business. Keep putting it back. I'm gonna buy a semi truck in the U.S. So I'm getting into logistics. That's gonna be my business. Since I was 10 years in the U.S. Army, I did supply. So I'm gonna run circles around anybody trying to put it to me with the logistics. I'm pretty much, I got that on lock. So that's it. That'll do it. Until not tomorrow, Friday. Tomorrow I'll be at a Kayabata. It's like a horse festival, a bunch of horses. I'll record that, but I'm gonna put that on my other channel, which is masculine confidence building. So I'm gonna put that on there. I haven't done anything on that channel. This channel, it just seems like nobody's interested. It's boring, but once you get it going, to me it's exciting just to explore new stocks that are out there and to learn and to be like, wow, it's just more to the FANG stocks, Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, Google. It's just so many other companies and assets and ETFs and REITs and monthly paying dividends that are out there that are a lot of people just sleeping. So till tomorrow, or Friday, 5,000.